Hello, good people. Welcome back once again to our YouTube channel. My name is Irene and this is Adroit Architecture. Here in this channel, we are committed to providing affordable and on-point professional services in the architectural and construction sector. Today, we have yet another beautiful house plan for you. Let's take a look at the Ssesonyi 5-bedroom country home. The Ssesonyi 5-bedroom country home is an amazing all-en-suite design that gives some serious country castle vibes. This is mainly because of the hexagonal shapes that have been used in this design. So if you are a lover of the Victorian country home style, you will absolutely love this design. Here are some key features on this house plan. It features 2 master bedrooms, 1 downstairs and 1 upstairs. With the size of this home and all rooms en suite, this is yet another perfect design that you can consider for a guest house. I love the Victorian country home design with all the castle vibes it gives. It just speaks of royalty and class. You also have top to bottom windows provided in every room. This is amazing for bringing in all the natural light and air into the home. Let's take a look at the floor plan setup. The hexagonal covered semi-enclosed terrace brings you into the inside of this country home. The terrace is spacious and gives you a nice place to set up an outdoor seating area. The living room takes on the full hexagonal shape and provides an extra spacious living area complete with a fireplace. To one side of the living room, you have a beautiful circular dining room, and right ahead from the dining room, you have a spacious kitchen with a walk-in pantry. A passageway behind the living room separates the private areas and the living areas, and this passageway filters into the different bedrooms downstairs. Right at the corner, you have the downstairs master bedroom complete with a walk-in closet and a master bathroom. You have 3 additional bedrooms downstairs, each with its own private bathroom. Each of these bedrooms is well sized for 2 occupants. Take the spiral staircase that takes you upstairs and walk into the second exclusive and spacious master bedroom. This is the only room provided in the upper level, making it very private. The master bedroom upstairs comes with its own private master balcony. Having 2 master bedrooms, 1 downstairs and 1 upstairs, is perfect, especially from a guest house perspective. You can easily host more than 1 family comfortably. It is also awesome for those who want to have the freedom to choose between being upstairs and being downstairs, especially for couples as they advance in age. Many older couples want to be downstairs and they do not want to contend with staircases all the time. The total size of the Ssesonyi 5-bedroom country home is 248 square meters.